Hi guys. I've got something special today. It's this Best Shifter Position Micro. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it exceeds all expectations. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.